Hello, friends. Welcome to today's creativity journey. We are going to explore the beautiful world of mixed craft ornaments, where different crafts material come together to create magic. From felt and wood to paper, fabric, beads, and recycled item, the mix makes each ornament unique. In this video, we will talk about the benefits of crafting ornaments, how they bring joy, mindfulness, and eco-friendliness. And why crafting is not just a hobby, but a lifestyle of creativity and peace. Mixed crafts ornaments are special because they combine multiple material into the creation. They give freedom. You can use fabric, paper, ribbon, or even old buttons, old bottles, and many more ideas. You can getting ideas, old wooden piece. They are versatile, perfect for Xmas trees, home decorations, gifts, or even teaching projects for kids. They save money instead of buying expensive ornaments. You create your own from leftover materials, and most importantly, they show personality. Each piece reflects your creativity, culture, and love. Recycling in mixed craft is one of the biggest advantages. All items like jars, cardboard, broken jewelry, or fabric scraps can be turned into beautiful ornaments. Recycling teaches us responsibility. We care for the planet while enjoying creativity. It also sparks innovations. When you recycle, you find new ways to design and combine materials. Every recycled ornament tells a story. This was once waste, now it's art. Crafting ornaments is more than decoration, it's therapy. It's mind therapy. Crafting reduces stress and brings mindfulness. Every stitch, every cut, every bead placed help us slow down and focus. Crafting builds safe and self-confidence, turning simple materials into something beautiful feels rewarding. Families benefit too. Kids learn patience and creativity while adults bond over shared activities. It improves mental health. Crafting keeps the mind active, positive, and joyful. Mixed craft ornaments are not only personal, also social. They can be gifted. Handmade gifts are always more meaningful than store bought. They can be sold. Many crafters turn their hobby into small business, selling ornaments online or at markets. They bring communities together, schools, workshop, or neighborhood. Craft groups can create ornaments for charity festival or local events. Through these crafts, creativity becomes a way to connect people and spread happiness. So thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed these ideas and benefits, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We are doing very best, trying to best things for you. So next time you see an old things burlap bag, don't throw it away. Instead, think of the countless possibilities it holds. Crafting with burlap and recycling not only a creative journey, it's also a lifestyle choice that benefits our planet, our minds, and our hearts. Now, benefits of recycling. When we recycling, we are not just saving money, we are saving the earth. Every time you turn an old coffee sack or rice bag into a wall hanging ornament or gift wrap, you are reducing waste. Reducing burlap also encourages a minimalist lifestyle, making the most of what we already have instead of buying more. And here's the best part, recycled crafts inspire others. When friends and family see your beautiful handmade burlap pieces, they also feel encouraged to reuse and recycle. This creates a chain reaction of eco friendly living. Now let's talk about the benefits of crafting. Crafting is not just about creating something pretty, it's about creating peace of mind. When we work with our hands and our minds relax, it's like meditation. Crafting reduces stress, improves focus, and gives us a sense of achievement. Even children benefit, they learn patience, creativity, and problem solving. For adults, crafting builds confidence. Each finished project reminds us that we can turn simple material into something valuable. And let's not forget the social benefit. Crafting can bring people together, families